friends, today in this video I am going to talk that the greatest boon of the mankind is the trees. Without the trees, how the earth would be, you think of that. According to the astronomical theory, the earth is called as a blue planet. If the trees are not there, this blue planet would not have emerged like how it is today. And guys, let's go inside this video and know about the trees, which is the boon to mankind, and what will happen if trees are not there. If these trees are not there, if the earth is called as blue planet and there will be no blue, that is sea, that is blue, and the land will be completely full of yellow sand and no fertile soil, anything. So what is the neatness of the trees? If I ask this question, you say it in the next second itself that we need the tree for the oxygen. Actually, the trees are not the main reason for the oxygen, for maintenance of the oxygen level in the atmosphere. Though if we cut all the trees in this earth, the level of the oxygen is not going to reduce itself. So every year the Amazon rainforest is taking in about 2 billion tons of carbon dioxide and it is leaving the oxygen, and every year the same Amazon forest is taking in 1.7 billion tons of oxygen, and thus 300 million tons of oxygen is just left out because of the animals in the Amazon forest and by the trees itself. At the night time, more oxygen is not given to the atmosphere by the trees, and the first importance for the oxygen level in the atmosphere is the planktons, which is present in the seas and oceans. Yes, because of the planktons only the oxygen level in our atmosphere is balanced. And then what is the reason we need trees? There are more reasons. For the rain, we need the trees. So however, the water which is evaporated by the lakes and the seas are going to fall down to the land. However, it's going to fall as rain. But if the trees are there, the amount of water in the clouds will be correct, because if more water is stored and if more water is evaporated, and if there will be more water, that is more water will be in the clouds, but the land will become arid and there will be no water at all, and there will be shortage of water and no agriculture can be possible. And at last, if the cloud is completely filled, and when the rain comes, there will be more rain. So similarly, the Chennai mega floods, the more rain will cause severe damage to the properties and even lives. So that time also the agriculture cannot be done because of excess water and flood. And if there are more trees in the Chennai city, that flood would not come, because the trees which were there would absorb the rainwater in the cloud first itself, and if also the rain comes, the trees will absorb the water. And if also the trees are not there, another reason is there is no soil which can be seen in the city. It is completely full of roads. So the water cannot get inside the soil and the underground water cannot increase. So it have become a flood. So we must need trees surely for rain and the level of the water for controlling the level of water in the clouds. And next reason, in now there is air conditioners, fans for making ourselves cool, and we are traveling fast through the airplanes, trains, cars, scooters. But in olden times, when there is no technological improvements, the people were going through walk and only through the horses or donkeys or the oxes. So when the people are walking or going in these animals, by the animals, they cannot go for a long time, because mainly in the summer season, because the sun will be hot, and if the people are going, cannot walk for even a short while, and they must need a rest, and at the evening time while they are moving, when the business people for the trade, the people are moving, they need some rest. So where can they take rest? There will be, if the person is traveling for 2000 or even 1000 kilometers from a country to even another country, even the pilgrimages like Huan Song and Fahian from China who came here, they traveled a long distance from their home place. So they must have, the people like them must have a place to take rest. So for them, the trees are very, very important for taking rest. The trees like mango tree or the Ashoka tree and the tamarind tree, there are many trees for them to take rest. And even not only the trees like them, even the palm tree or coconut tree is enough for a person to sit under and take some rest. So trees were very, very important for the persons, for the travelers and pilgrimage people and the traders who want to trade in far off distinct lands. And without the trees, there would be no soil in some place, and the land would become infertile and not suitable for agriculture. Why it is needed? If the trees are not there, there will be no cultivating land, and all the place will be full of sand. The all place will be full of sand because of the movement of air and fast movement of air. More soil, the sand can go in the air and can transport from one place to another place and one place to another place. So in that time, the soil can move from one place to another, and it can be in the roads, and the roads will be full of the sand, and there can't be no transportation. The more soil erosion will be there. At this time, the crops cannot be grown, because if the sand is coming fast, the crops will be lost and it will die, and the roots will be uprooted. And when the sand is continuously moving, the soil will become infertile, and there would be loss of food for the people, and many people would even die because of the scarcity of food. And the places, mainly today also the places in like deserts, there will be no trees, and the wind will be also fast in such case. That is happening in even the Thar desert or even the Sahara desert, Kalahari desert, any desert. It might be even the great sandy desert of Australia also. And not only the deserts, if the trees are not there, every place might become as a desert, because if the trees are there, it can hold the underground water level, and it's very, very important for the shade. That is, as I told you before itself, the people need the trees for the rest. And at the first, I told you that the Amazon rainforest is taking about 1.7 billion tons of oxygen, in which it is leaving that 2.0 billion tons of oxygen it is leaving outside. So in such case, the trees are not actually taking more in the night time, and the night time is actually less, and the animals in them in the forests are only taking that oxygen. And when I tell this, you can know that the animals need the forest, and if the trees are not there, the birds cannot live, the animals can't live, and anything cannot live, like birds, insects which live in the trees, animals in the forests can't live, and all those animals which will be living in the forests and birds will die in loss of habitat. That is happening today, and the people are cut because of the deforestation. Many animals and birds are losing their lives, and many are becoming extinct, and the world is for not only the human beings, for plants and animals also. So guys, today my video is over, and I believe that you all know that the tree is a boon for us and it's not a waste for us. So don't cut trees, plant more trees. And I believe that you like my video, and click the like button, share this video, and for more videos subscribe my channel guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.